This is Brent with OwnCat, just showing you how to install one of our newest products, the Water Wrangler water leak sensor and alarm on a hot water heater. This here is my hot water heater. It is one of the biggest flood hazards in a home. You may not realize it, but when this thing gets a little bit old, this bottom tends to drop out. Floods not just the 40 to 80 gallons that are in this tank, but also the cold water intake just keeps on running and running and running. It can flood a basement in minutes. So you want to find out that it's a leak as soon as you possibly can. Water Wrangler is a great way to make that happen. So here we go. So let's go through the installation. First step, you want to make sure it's functional. Make sure it's on. Hit the test button. It's working. We heard that sound. In this case, we have a sticky pad on the back so we can install it on a vertical surface like we have here on the water heater. And what I'm going to do is, right now you have this sensor which is in split connection. You're going to want to put it down so it's getting right next to the ground. Push it to where you want to go. You're installed. Let's test it out. I got a little bit of water, about a tablespoon. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, it's going off. All of a sudden you hear this sound going. But not only that, you better, if you have this plugged in somewhere else in your house, you're going to hear this alarm and chime go off as well. And that sensor, that alarm, you're going to know exactly where your water leak is and when you need to deal with it. This is a great solution for anyone who has a home with water, which is literally every single home in the country. So recommend you go out and get a few Water Wranglers, put them around your house, make sure that you don't suffer from a leak and that you can find out your water troubles as fast as you possibly can. Thank you. This is again Brent from OwnCat. Any questions, please reach out in the comments below or send your comments to service@owncat.com. Thank you very much.